Hello students. Today we have discussed about image formation in concave lens. So dear students, there are mainly two cases in which the first one, position of the object. Okay, so first case is position of the object is at infinite distance. So we know in convex lens case, if the distance of the image is infinite, then the rays are become parallel to the principal axis. So it is my principal axis. It's a concave lens. Now here I get two rays. The first one is above the principal axis. Here optical center O. Now second ray is also parallel to the principal axis. Is bottom to the principal axis. Now at point O, when two rays are reached at point O, now it's refracted, and after refracted, these rays is become diverged. Okay, so here you can see both rays are actually not meet in this principal axis. Let us just consider it is F1. Now here 2F1, here F2, and here 2F2. Now here both rays are diverged. So if we extend in back side of the lens, so here we get image. Okay, so what is the position of the image? So we can say that it is at F1. Okay, it is at F1. Now what is the nature of the image? So dear students, you can see here both rays are diverging. So we can say that the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Now what is the size of the image? So here you can see it is highly diminished, or in short we can say that it is a point sized. Okay, so these are the first case when position of the object is at infinite distance. So rays are become parallel to the principal axis. After refracted, both rays are diverged. So if we extend it in the same side of the incident ray, so here we can say it is meet at F1. So what is the position of the image? It is at F1. Now what is the nature of the image? It is virtual and erect. And what is the size of the image? So it is a point sized. Now our second case of the concave lens. Here we can put our object is at optical center O of the lens and infinity. So here we can say between optical center O and infinity distance. Okay, so dear students, here we can put our object is between optical center O and infinity distance in anywhere. Okay, so here if we get like we put here our object, let us consider it is AB. Now here two rays, the first one is parallel to the principal axis. Now after reaching O, these rays after refracted it's become diverged, and the second rays is passing through the optical center O. So we know when the rays is passing to the optical center O, it does not change their direction. So now dear students, you can see here both rays are not actually meet. So if I extend this line like this, so here I get image. Let us give name A dash, B dash. So here you can see what is the position of the image. So it between optical center O and focal point F1. It means when we put our object here, we get the image. It means same side of the object. Now what is the nature of the image? Here you can see it is dotted line. So when we draw dotted line, then it is means virtual and erect. So what is the nature of the image? So it is virtual and erect. Now what's about the size of the image? So here you can say size of the image is smaller than the object. So size of the image is smaller than the object. Okay, so these are our two cases. Here you can see when position of the image is between optical center O and infinity distance, so we get smaller size of the image, it is virtual and erect, and we get same size of the object. So these are total two cases. Here we can see students, in concave lens we always get virtual and erect image. Okay, virtual and erect image. Now in next video we have discussed about new sign Cartesian coordination of this concave lens and as well as convex lens. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then share and subscribe. Thank you.